Hi friends, welcome to Distinct Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to check the checkbox by using our Cypress. Okay, and how many ways we can able to check the checkbox. See, basically we can able to check the checkbox a single. Okay, we can able to check the checkbox single or multiple. Means sometimes we have the checkbox uh, two different, right? That checkbox we can able to check it. Okay, how we can able to achieve for using but single to double. Single means we can able to directly we can able to check the checkbox, and otherwise we can able to check that multiple values also. Okay, how we can able to check, we'll see in this particular session. Okay, uh, one second, my browser it is not opening. Yeah, see, this is my web page we are going to check, and if you are mouse over and inspecting that particular checkbox, we can able to see there is a name, type and value. If that is a checkbox or not to identify means the type is checkbox. If it is type is checkbox, we can able to check the checkbox means that is a checkbox. Okay, how we can able to check the single checkbox, and also we can able to check whether that particular checkbox is checked or not, and that particular value, so the value is manual tester, right? Whether that particular value we checked, which is the one we are using that checkbox to check whether that particular checkbox we checked or not, we are going to see in this particular video session. Okay, now if I'm going to create one particular file to checkboxes dot cy dot js. Okay, now in this particular session I am going to creating one suit for this because checkbox purpose. For the suit it will accept for suit title. I'm going to verify checkbox. I'm going to give the name of that suit, and I'm going to create the function. A function creation, there are two ways. I already show into my previous video also. Please go through that my video and you can able to understand what exactly that. Okay, and then I'm going to creating for the title of my test case. Title is validate a check box to check. Any name we can able to provide the test case name and title, and we can able to verify. And here we need to visit our site. And once we visited the site, and we need to get the path of this. And here, if you see automation checkbox also, the name and type is same, but value is changing. Now I'm going to take the value as manual tester. Okay, then I'm going to create for expert css selector one is a class, sorry, attribute. Using attribute we can able to use attribute and value, we need to specify, then only we can able to specify that value comes, right? Then I'm going to use it here. This is my, why I given the double quotation means here there are two values. There is a space between these two values, manual and space tester. Due to that, in case if you are not specified double quotation, then if you are providing directly, even in my previous video, if I'm choose like attribute only, value and name equal to some name where value provided, but here we need to provide double quotation. Why means if you are not provide the double quotation, if there is a space, then this CSS selector will not understand what kind of XPath you are going to pass. Okay, due to that I have given for double quotation. Then we can able to specify here check method will check the checkbox means like a click method, how we are going to click method, right? The click method is basically to clicking purpose. Here it is a check. Check is the method to check the checkbox. Okay, and I'm going to verifying that particular value is where checked or not, that particular checkbox. Then for this we need to use a b dot checked. Okay, then this particular manual tester whether we are able to checked or not. For this again we need to use it. We can able to use and or should, anything is okay. We can able to specify here have dot a value, then comma we need to specify our value. Then this one it will verify your checkbox whether it is checked or not. Okay, first we can able to run into our Cypress and see whether this particular value is run checked or not. Cypress open. Now I choose my checkbox. Then I running here end to end and Chrome browser. Then we can able to choose our spec checkbox. Now you can able to see here it is going to launch my application. Can able to see the URL also speak and it runs. And wait a minute, it will take some time to come that particular location. And this position you can able to see the checkbox whether it is checked or not. Okay, and also we can able to see the step in left side also. Now you can see it is check the checkbox, and also you can able to see here the two assertions. One is check method and here is two assertions. We are returning two conditions. After checking we are verifying the value whether it is checked or not, and also we are verifying the value of that checkbox, right? Now our second condition is unchecked checkbox whether it is unchecked or not. This automation one I'm going to verifying that is unchecked checkbox or not. Okay, for this I'm going to create a cy dot a get, and I'm going to create the attribute value and double quotation. I'm specifying the value and brace is close. Now we can able to use, there is a method called uncheck. Without uncheck also we can able to use. First I will create for uncheck. Okay, uncheck method, and should, here we need to specify not be checked. Okay, this is a method to verify not checked. Okay, same thing again. I'm going to spec and I'm going to run my test case. If I run, there are two conditions right now. One is checking the checkbox and also unchecking, like whether unchecked box is verified or not. Now unchecked, and even you can able to see in the down unchecked, and here it is verified. Okay, even without that how we can able to means I'm going to copy again the same pasting. Now there is another checkbox is present here, right? In our case there is a RC. The value is RC. I'm going to take the RC. RC. Now I'm going to remove RC. Okay, verifying, just verifying that you can able to see my speak is again loading, and we can able to see whether it is checked or not. Unchecking the condition. Now see, Without uncheck method also it is checked, RC also. Correct. But in case if you want to check, there are multiple values. Now I'll stop this execution. Okay. And coming to here, now I have RC Selenium ID and Selenium WebDriver. I want to check. I want to uncheck manual testing, and then I need to check this all. In case if it is required also, okay, no issue. And also we can able to choose. These are the three options. How we can able to check these three. Okay, now again I'm going to do to finding. See what is a common point it is present is type and name. Name it is 2, and also we can able to say all the places type is check is there. We can able to check the checkbox. Even automation also having the checkbox type as checkbox, right? We can able to pull the type as checkbox. Okay. Now cy dot a get, and we can able to use the attribute creation, that is a type, and value is checkbox. Okay, and closing the brace, and here I'm going to use the check. Okay, in the check I'm going to give the array. One is RC, first one is RC. I choose the RC, comma, then I need to use the Selenium ID. What is the value of the Selenium ID? Selenium ID is there. Okay, I'm going to pick that one. In the single quotation again I'm providing, and again I need to choose Selenium WebDriver also. Value is Selenium WebDriver. Okay, as I specified three values. One is here is RC, Selenium ID and Selenium WebDriver. Three things I need to check the checkbox. Okay. And again I'm coming to my spec, and I'm going to my test case. Just I'm running by clicking the test case. We can able to run our test case. Chat cannot read the property for undefined, where it is. Check only. Why it is not choosed? You can provide that value. It is checkbox only, right? Okay, that is a checkbox only. By dot a check method opening an array and equal to RC. Okay, comma, and we can able to Selenium WebDriver. Okay, type is reading undefined. Okay, okay, 1 second. Okay, okay. Here the braces are wrong. Okay, the braces are wrong. It is there. That's why it is not able to identify what kind of thing. Now you can able to say that it is running. There is a small mistake happen. Now you can able to see there are three check boxes checked. Okay, even you can able to go little bit manual also it is there, and it is verified all the conditions. Okay, what are the conditions we are checked? All the things it is able to verified. Okay, this all about for how to check the checkbox a single and how to uncheck, and also we are going to verify that even you can able to use it here. The method we seen about check, right? Even uncheck also we can able to use it. After you can able to see, after you can able to provide here, we can able to choose that uncheck also. If we do uncheck after selecting a checkbox to the checkbox, then again it will uncheck all the checkboxes what all the things we provided. Okay, we can able to check and we can able to uncheck also. Okay, we can check the single checkbox and we can able to do uncheck, and also we are verified whether it is checked or not, and also we check that a multiple values to check and also uncheck. Now see again uncheck what is happened. Okay, this is all about for check condition for the checkbox by using Cypress. I hope you understand this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.